Hi everybody, welcome to Long Lean Legs. We've been talking about this workout for basically a week, and unfortunately our Zoom people aren't able to be here, so everybody gets a replay, but that's okay because we can record it anyway. Of course, our focus is going to be from hip to knee to toes. We're going to skip over some moves in our basic workout, and we're going to have a yoga mat break so you can grab a yoga mat and hit the floor for the last couple of moves, because we cannot do a long lean legs class without awesome legs at the end. So a secret that was discovered when the T-Tap Tempo arms workout came out was that we can lean out the thighs by holding our squat for our plies instead of going up and down. And what happens is, as we go up and down normally, as we go down when the knees bend, we can tuck the tail under better, and that allows especially the inner thigh and outer thigh to activate, and it leans this out. But as we stand up, 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 eventually you can't hold your tuck, and especially if we're not really, really good and strong at T-tap, as we get to the straight knee, we lose our tuck and then retuck, or we don't tuck, in which case now everything's working on the upper thigh. So getting in position and holding that tuck is going to lean out these upper legs much faster than going up and down in the plie squat position. So that's what we're going to do. Also remembering we want to maintain that good linear alignment for our own bodies, which means shoulder width. If I dangle to the side and I let my arms just dangle, so notice they hang straight below my shoulder, and I swing them, they should brush just inside my heels. So that's the width of your stance. Now we want to test this because some of us have a different hip to knee versus hip to ankle length, and that can determine where we want exactly our feet and our angles to be. So toes at 1 and 11, we bend those knees, belly button to spine, round that low back, tucking the tailbone under. You should start to feel the front of the hip flexors already just from doing that. From here, again, we want to think to twist out from the hips. So we're trying to aim the knees like they're trying to go behind us. When you do that, you should feel your inner and your outer thigh equally. If your stance is too wide and you try and twist out, you're going to feel the outer thigh more than the inner. If it's too narrow and you twist out, you're going to feel more of the inner. Same thing, if your feet are too angled, you'll feel the inner thigh, not the outer. Play with this for yourself. That's why I'm demonstrating this. So I'm giving you a chance to find your perfect point of position for your hip to knee, knee to ankle ratio, because we're all slightly different. And without seeing you in person, I can't tell you exactly what it is. But now you have good tools to find that. Bend those knees, belly button to spine, lace those shoulders, twist out from the hips, spread those toes, pinky toes down, big toes up. Reach away, make your bear claw. Inhale, hunch. Reach out on the exhale, twist from the hip. Inhale. Ribs up, ribs up, ribs up, stretching, keeping the shoulders down on your exhale. Inhale. Reach out on your exhale. Inhale. Reach down, pinkies touch the side of the hip, the side of the thighs, right where that seam should be. Rebend, retuck. Inhale. Cross and pull and tuck harder. Twist out from the hip. 2 and pull and reach tuck. 3 and pull and reach tuck. 4 more. Keep holding that squat. 5 and pull and reach tuck. 6 and pull and 2 more. 7 and pull and 1 more. 8 and pull and reach up. Inhale, hunch. Release those legs. Stretch all the way up to the toes. Remember, we got to work those calves. Pull, pull, pull down and drop those heels. All right, we finally made it to the floor. If that last stretch was a little too intense on your knees, and believe me, I totally understand why it can be, we're going to do extended linear stretch as our starter move here on the floor, because this is another fantastic inner thigh in particular stretch. We did it. I don't know about you guys, but my legs definitely feel like Jell-O. And I am going to look forward to a nice warm bath with some extra Epsom salts in it for some soreness tonight. But we definitely are on our way to long, lean legs. More tips during the week. See you guys then.